Hello, good morning. I finished mulching this side garden bed. As you can see, the mint, cat mint, and here is my dahlia and the coneflower with cinnamon and chili powder on the side, on the leaves. And as you can see, it has one flower. And then, so there's the cat mint. And there, the pink flowers, the pink Asiatic lilies. And then to the back garden bed with our coral rose. So many. Love it. And then my picture geranium. And then the red Asiatic lily. One flower bloomed. Hopefully the chipmunks won't get it this time. And then our oriental lilies, which are tall. And so the chipmunks will not be able to get them. So I also mulched this bed. Here is the knockout rose. So many buds now. And the dahlia, newly planted dahlia, started to sprout. And then we go to the back garden bed with eucharis and the dahlia and sedum, my petunias, forsythia, lamb's ear, and the hibiscus. And here also another garden bed with yellow daylilies, my eucharis again. Here is the hosta with flower that bloomed and the daylilies and the other hostas starting to bloom. The pink rose bush, another one. And then here on the other side, the peonies are done blooming, and we have euchera, and then here the yellow yarrow, and another yellow yarrow with lamb's ear in front of it, and the hydrangeas at the back, and there's a white yarrow. We also have a red one, but still small. And here the other hydrangeas. And this one is the big leaf hydrangea. It has buds right now. I haven't seen it bloom ever since we moved to our house. So I'm excited to see what the flowers will look like. And this is the caramel euchera with sedum on the side. And this is our limeta hydrangea. It's always the first one to bloom for us. And here in the front, juniper with aster, and then caramel eucharis, different colors, and then the hyssop or the agostaki, and then sedum, and then the lavender, and then we have hosta there, and the hydrangea, and my colorful eucharis, and this one is a small allium. There, my boxwoods, and another euchera with pink flowers. And in the front, the phlox, and then the petunias with different colors. My husband and I are very happy with that. So many blooms, and I try to dead it every day so it will not look messy. And then as we go to the other flower bed, same thing, different colors and deadheading. And as we go to the deck, my geranium and then my begonias. So excited to see them bloom. This Asiatic lily flower spent, and here are the begonias we bought from Petiti, the Asiatic lily. Okay, and then there's the spiderwort that we bought from Walmart. Oh, from Lowe's. So here is the collies that we bought from Walmart. I put them in two separate pots. Yeah. And here is the front garden bed. The phlox and rosy and are done blooming. The hostas are started to bloom. And we go back here to the side with the hibiscus. And here is the hosta that I planted also with two new leaves now. Okay.